for your country. We are three kings from a distant eastern land. I am Melchior. My royal companions are Casper and Balthazar.
This star, it fascinates me. Tell me more.
Perhaps I can explain it better to you, Your Majesty, if you would come over to the window. Behold, you see the brightest star in the universe.
It's actually moving. I've never seen one like this before.
Your Majesty, this shining light heralds the birth of a great king.
Who is this child who threatens me? And where is this child tonight? And why do they call him the king of all kings? I must destroy him with all of my might. So follow the kings as they follow the star, but remember to keep out of sight. Find me this child, search high and low, over desert sands and sea. And when you find him, you must destroy at once. This is my decree. How can a child be king of kings? Perhaps it is just a lie. But I cannot sleep while this child is alive, so it's better this child should die. So follow the kings as they follow the star. You must follow no matter how far. Go follow the kings as they follow the star. You must follow no matter how far. You must follow no matter how far.
This man, afraid that someday the child king would overthrow him.
What about Marcus? Couldn't he do anything?
No, he was just a slave, but who's heard everything. He thought about the Holy Child as he made his way to feed the royal doves.
I bet he enjoyed that job.
Oh yes, he loved his doves. As he opened the dovecot, they would fly over to greet him.
How many doves were there?
About 50, but there was one special dove that Marcus truly loved. Her name was Silver. As he opened the dovecot, she would fly over and sit contentedly at her feet. This was the one place he was truly happy.
What am I going to do, Silver? I want to help the child. I want to save him. But there's nothing I can do. You look so sad. I wish I could help you. I'd do anything. Silver, if only you could. Of course you can help. I'll write a message and tie it to your wing, and you can take it to the Child King. Well, what do you say, Silver? Will you do it? You know I will. Ready. How do I find the child? Fly into the sky and search for 3 kings. They will be following a brilliant star and will lead you straight to the child. Silver, everything depends on you. Good luck, my friend, and return safely.